Hi, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Yakima BaseLine JetStream roof rack system for the 2017 through 2021 Honda Civic 4-door hatchback. This system comprises three components, starting with the BaseLine towers set of 4 and the JetStream load bars set of 2, available in silver or black, and 2 sets of 2 of the BaseLine pad and clip sets. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the JetStream load bars. This one we've cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. The overall shape is designed to minimize wind noise and wind drag. There is a track that runs along the top of the bar to accommodate certain accessories and carriers for a very clean, integrated method of attachment. On the underside of the bar is another track, and alongside that track are measurement numbers which correspond to numbers shown in the instruction sheet for the vehicle to guide you in the correct placement of the tower on the bar. Now, the tower itself has multiple adjustments to provide a very custom fit to the vehicle. To access those adjustments, you would remove this outer cover. There are 3 dots on both sides of the upper portion of the cover. You just press in and pull back on those, and that'll remove the cover, providing access to those fasteners. So the first fastener we'll look at is the one that attaches the tower to the bar. To access that, we have to pull back on this panel, and that provides access to this fastener, and that's the fastener that holds the tower to the bar. It also offers pitch adjustment, so 3 positions of pitch adjustment, which allows for compensation of curved roof lines, maintaining a nice aerodynamic angle of the bar. Now, when I close this cover, you'll see that it restricts access to that fastener. The fastener below is a toe adjustment, and that I'll go ahead and demonstrate that toe adjustment by loosening the fastener with a tool here that's included with the towers. And you can see we have 3 positions of adjustment to better match the door frame and roof line of the particular vehicle. When we tighten this up, this tool will click, and that indicates that you've reached the correct tightness. Now, there are other adjustments on the inside here. We have this one, and that one, when tightened, will pull the door frame clip against the door frame. And underneath this hatch is another fastener, and that will pull this clip against the door frame upward. Now, the clip itself is strong steel with a powder coat finish. On the underside is a rubber pad to provide grip and protection to the finish of the door frame. And then here we have a pivoting rubber base. The rubber itself comes in a variety of shapes to better match the roof line where it rests. Now, we'll go ahead and return the cover back on. To do so, you just attach this at the bottom and then snaps at the top. And here you'll notice there's a plastic plug, and that plug can be removed and replaced with a Yakima SKS lock cylinder. And this lock core is sold in match sets. SKS stands for same key system. That way you can have not only all of your towers all key matched, but also other accessories and carriers can all be key matched when you purchase these lock cores separately in match sets. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Yakima BaseLine JetStream roof rack system. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all the buying options. And if you have any questions or comments about this particular rack, feel free to leave those in the comment section below. And consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.